is for Manta Ray, gliding with glee. Using their wing-like fins are the key. They soar through the ocean, calm and slow. Manta Rays move with peaceful flow. Let's write the letter M, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital M with peak so tall. Lowercase with curves that fall. M is for Manta Ray, glide, glide, glide. Learning letters with knowledge as our guide. The Manta Ray flapped through the blue sea, gracefully swimming so wild and free. With every move they glide with grace. Manta Rays teach us to find our place. The letter M is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Capital M with peak so tall. Lowercase with curves that fall. M is for Manta Ray, glide, glide, glide. Learning letters with knowledge as our guide. Manta Rays live where the waters are deep. Let's write the letter M, it's a leap. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter M is next in our ABCs. Capital M with peak so tall. Lowercase with curves that fall. M is for Manta Ray, glide, glide, glide. Learning letters with knowledge as our guide.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.